The Z Fold 4 was easily the best phone of last year. It's the phone I used the most. I had the Pixel, I had the iPhone, I had the Ultra, and guess what I kept coming back to? The Z Fold 4. And now, Samsung has came out with the Z Fold 5. Let's jump into this unboxing. Alright, so what do we have here? This is the all black, Phantom Black, the 512 gig version. Got it straight from Samsung, unlocked, because I ain't want to mess with those carrier versions. You know what I'm talking about. You, T-Mobile. I'm talking about you. I don't buy phones from you anymore, but I still like the service. But you trash. All right, I'm not going to keep bashing T-Mobile. But anyway, unlocked, straight from Samsung, the black phone. Last year, I went with the green, which kind of looked blue, but it was supposed to match the watch, but it didn't quite do it. But anyway, this is my baby from last year. But we're going to put this to the side because it's not about you. It's about you. But only thing I enjoy more than the phone is the unboxing experience. I used to like using my knife, but I haven't been able to use my knife anymore because everybody got these cool little tabs they want to pull now. It's all good. Save a hassle when I can't find a knife. Anyway, here it is. Let's unbox it. Gotta pull the tab. Let's see if we can get a little sound. At least a little sound. A little satisfying. A little satisfying. This one won't play at me. All right, this one ain't come off so smooth. I pull it from the other side. Boom. All right, let's jump in. Ooh, here it go. That's that Phantom Black. Oh, got a little wrapper on it. Got a little. This is not my first time using a fold, but man, I ain't even take it out the wrapper yet, and it's already feeling like. Well, let's see what else we got in here. What you really expected. Nothing in here. All right, we got something at the top. We do got a little something in here. No, we ain't gonna go on the rant about chargers and every other thing that these phones don't come with now, but let's see what else they did give us. Cool. The black charging cable, USB-C to USB-C. Got your normal books. SIM card ejection tool. Need this, we still got SIM. FYI, eSIM sucks. I can't stand it, so I still use SIMs. It's so much better than eSIM. eSIM is just so dumb. Anyway, the unboxing was fun, wasn't it? Just nothing. It's nothing. It's a cool box. Presentation is decent. But now, time for the main event. Look at them 3 cameras. Get a little unwrapping. What the? Oh, wait a minute. I see, got a little pull right there. Hold on. Oh. Woo. Ain't gonna lie. That thing feel the same. But it closes flat. Look at that difference. Look at the difference. Small difference, but it's a big difference. It's a lot of work. Even though a lot of other folds have been able to make theirs fold all the way flat, but they don't matter because none of their build qualities is as good as Samsung. None of their hinges are as good as Samsung, but now Samsung got it all the way flat. But let's look at the crease. Crease is still there. During daily use, you never notice the crease. I'm being real with you. You will not notice the crease at all. But it is still there. Hopefully one day it will completely go away. The hinge itself looks the same. It just folds flat now. But we still have the same 3 camera setup. Got the 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel 3x zoom. I hope I got that right. I think I got it right. Anyway, but you see they switched up the flash position, which who uses a flash anyway? It's there for a good flashlight. But other than that, it's like literally, it's almost exactly pretty much the same phone. Got speaker grills at the bottom, charger port at the bottom, speakers at the top, microphones at the top, same Samsung logos at the side. You have SIM tray, volume rocker, 5G antennas, power button with the fingerprint scanner. Yo, I love on-screen fingerprint scanners, but nothing like a physical fingerprint scanner. They are still super fast. They're easy to reach, easy to touch, and it works every single time. No matter my hand is wet, no matter dry, no matter whatever it is, this thing will work. And I low key, I just want every phone to have the fingerprint scanner on the power button. It makes it just works, and it's not as cool as the on-screen fingerprint scanner, but this just works all the time. Anyway, I do like this black color. I did get the slim case. We're gonna check that out after we start this phone up and set everything up. We're gonna put this on. But it does have the new little slim S Pen. I'm gonna check that out. Cool. But anyway, all this talking, and I haven't even opened to start the phone up yet. I do feel a little bit kind of way that they did not change up the design. I mean, they pulling that weak Apple stunt where they just keep it down. I mean, if it don't broke it, don't fix it. But this is like the third year with the same exact phone. And yeah, actually it feels, nah, I'm tripping. I thought it felt a little lighter, but it don't. But anyway, let me set it up real quick and we're gonna do a quick little run through. But I ain't gonna make this video long because I want to just use it for a while and come back with an actual review. So I'll be right back. Okay, we're back from setting everything up. And here's my first impression. There is a lot that is the same. It has the same battery, the same weak 25-watt charging, the same out of display, the same in the display, the same under display camera, which doesn't seem like it hides the camera any better than last year. Last year, I mean, it did hide it pretty well, but the camera still sucks. You not want to use it. The out of display camera, that is okay. This one started off like bad and they had a few updates and it got much better. But this one, I didn't take much pictures with it, but kind of weird setting this up because it wasn't much to get excited about because it really felt like I'm using the same exact phone. Other than the color of the phone, I really couldn't tell the difference. It does feel a little bit better in the hand closed because of the gap is gone, so it feels a little better in the hand. But it's kind of, like I said, it's not like an instant, like oh my god, because it really feels like I'm holding the same phone. I've been using this phone a lot over the last year. I can say the hinge feels better, and that's maybe because I don't know if it's in just a new hinge design or it's just a fresh hinge. Like it hasn't got any dust in there yet. And saying this one has a lot in there. Listen to this. So there's a lot of dust, a lot of things going on in here. I don't baby this phone at all. So it's even to the point now where it's so much dust and stuff in here is that it doesn't even open all the way flat right now. And that's because I've been having it outside in the dust, dirt, doing some yard work. Durability wise, the Fold 4 is, I don't know if it would hold up another year. Like I've been using it heavily and this feel like it's already like lifting up on the screen right here. Like I said, it's dust in here that I feel like it's not coming out. I didn't really try too hard to get it out, but just normal use, it just doesn't seem like it's coming out by itself. So maybe this new hinge will do better with keeping things, debris out. Maybe the screen is on here a little better where it won't have that little rise up on the top. I still think that one of the big things that's gonna happen with these folding phones with all these moving pieces is its longevity. So hopefully this is better. But yeah, I still love the Fold, but it's just hard to get excited about this because it's so much of it is still the same. But one thing is different is this case. This case is different than the one that they had last year. Before even using this case, I still feel like I like the idea of the case from last year that you can just switch out the S Pen and the kickstand and just have one case on there. This one is just the slim case. Okay, there's a lot of packaging in here. Just a slim case. It has this new S Pen, which, oh, hold on. How you do it? Oh, you press down. Okay, it's like a new little way to get this out. It says slide to pop out. Oh, okay. It's actually pretty cool. Actually pretty cool. But here's the test. Do it work on the cover screen? And that answer is no. That's one of the things I did not like about the Fold 4 is that the S Pen did not work on the cover screen. And just one of those, wait, okay, it's working here. So it's working on the inner screen, but it is not working on the cover screen. Yeah, it is not working at all. It feels okay. It's definitely not as big as the last one, but the big change is that now I can keep the S Pen on me and it won't feel so weird on the phone. Like, it's on there and it's not rocking. It doesn't feel weird in hand. It still feels nice. I don't feel like sticking this on here yet because with these folding phones, you have to peel these stickers off and make it stick. I'm gonna rock this raw for like the next couple weeks before I put any case on here. So, but it does feel cool with just this on here. I might just rock it like this with just the back case on here, just so I can have the S Pen on me. But I do wish it worked on this cover screen, which it doesn't, which is the same thing as this. I mean, and at the end of the day, the Fold 4 was still great. And it's still the best folding phone. So just little small refinements here just made it a little bit better. But I don't see, like, the Pixel Fold is cool, but that Pixel Fold design is just still ugly to me. Those thick bezels is just ugly. And all the features that this pack is still crazy. But you have things like it didn't have the ultra camera on here, which this phone is so expensive. So why not put the ultra cameras on here? It's still, but the cameras are decent. It's just not the ultra. It's not the S23 Ultra, but they're decent. It's hard to say, to tell people to run out and buy this, but I'm gonna use it. Maybe it's some new software features. Maybe it's a couple new hardware features. The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, I can feel the difference on here. It's a small difference, but it is a tad bit snappier. But like I said, I've been using this one for so long. It just probably got all my apps, all the data. It was definitely not slow by any means, but I do feel like this one is a tad bit snappier. And that's just probably because it doesn't have a bunch of data on here. It hasn't been loaded, hasn't been used. It's still fresh. But I'm probably come back in another week or two with a full review to see what it's really like. Conclusion, it's a lot that's the same and still a great phone, but a lot of it is the same. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'm gonna come back with a full review, which I already know what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'm out.